Hey folks, I want to do a quick walk around on the Nifty TM50. We just got through trimming a ton of limbs in our yard. We rented this from a local tool rental place for 390 bucks and it was well worth it. We had it for the whole weekend. This thing I'm not really going to go through step by step how to operate. There's plenty of videos out here on YouTube that talk about it. I'll briefly tell you. You see the arms that are down on the ground. You got 4 of them. All your controls for that is right here. Okay, over here you have a main control here. This is where you can key it for the lower controls to work right here. This operates the bucket and everything and the boom, or you can key it to operate the upper stuff. You have safety switches here. Both of them have to be pulled out during operation. You have a gas motor here just in case you run out of battery. Okay, this big old thing right here has a battery in it, and we charge this thing every night. We never had a problem with running. We never even had to run the engine. Okay, here's your bucket right here, guys. You got full controls right up here on the panel. You got a safety cutoff switch. All your controls are right here, and this thing just takes a little getting used to. Okay, may not be for everybody out there. You can't be too afraid of heights to play around one of these things. But I tell you what, if you can operate it, you can save yourself a ton of money. I sure did. I probably would have spent $2 grand doing everything I had to do. As you can see, that big old tree right there, we took limbs down probably 35 feet up in the air. This big tree right here as well, we took some big limbs off of it that was getting a little too close to our house, and some other trees around back. Guys, have a great day. Hopefully this video helps you make a decision on whether or not you want to use the Nifty TM50. Have a great day.